In this lecture, we are going to discuss fourth part, that is listening to a news item. 5 questions will be there. This time questions are your text based questions, okay, kind of fill in the blanks. We do not have any audio based questions, okay. So as usual, I am going to make notes. Here there is one thing. If I feel like the this particular part is difficult, I won't make any note, okay. Especially for this part, I have this exception, okay, because in the last 5 years I can say twice I have messed up in this part, news item part. And what happened, the the keywords were very long, were more technical keywords. So when I was writing those keywords, I missed the sentence. It has happened with me twice in the last 5 years, I can say, okay. So from when I messed up last time, so I decided, like, if news item is difficult, I will simply listen, I won't make any note at all, okay. So let's see, like, whether it is easy or not. So what is the scenario here? Surprising book, okay. Now let's jump to our news item audio.
Recently, at a neighborhood yard sale, book enthusiast Dale Mackenzie discovered a literary treasure. At the yard sale, Mackenzie bought several books for just $5. When he returned home, he noticed that one of the books, an old copy of Emma by the famous English novelist Jane Austen, was a rare first edition of the novel. Curious about the value of the book, Mackenzie looked up an antique book dealer on the internet. "I thought the book might be worth about $50, said Mackenzie. But much to his surprise, he found out that a first edition of Emma, like the one he bought at the yard sale, was valued at approximately $10,000. Mackenzie plans to sell the novel through an internet auction site. He wants to donate half of the profits to the public library, which is in need of a new reading room. "I love books," said Mackenzie, "and would really like to improve our public library so that other book lovers can have a quiet place to go and read." With the remaining money, Mackenzie plans to take a vacation to Germany to visit one of the world's largest annual book fairs.
Germany annual book fair. So very short one. I was expecting 1 minute 20-second audio, something like that. So let's start. Mackenzie found a book that was a rare German edition, was autographed by the author. He donated to the book that he donated to the library was very well known but rare. So it was very well known but rare. Why? Because first edition. Mackenzie found the book during a trip, yard sale. Yes, yard sale. Mackenzie was surprised by the value, was found book, library, by the value of the book, okay. Mackenzie decided to give the book to the library. No. Keep the book. No. Sell the book online. Yes. Buy the book. No. Sell the book online. And Mackenzie also plans to build a new library. No. Visit a book sale. Not a book sale actually. What he has written? He has written like Germany annual book fair. Book fair means sale only. Yes. Read the book one more time. No. Build a reading room in his house. No. Reading room in the library. He wants to build a reading room in the library. So first and fourth one are gone. Read book one more time. He did not say. Visit book fair in Germany. That's all. Okay. Very easy one. Most of the time it is like this only. I don't need to check like what are the options. So let's say if I jump back to your part 4. So well known yard sale value, then you sell the book online and then visit the book sale in Germany. This was very easy. So there was no need of notes at all, but still, like, as I told you, like, I have habit of writing it. Why? Because when I write, I can memorize and then I can recollect when I am answering questions. So you see, for this particular part, these are my notes. Dale yard sale $5. First book Jane Austen first edition 10K. and internet auction sale, public library donation 50%, remaining Germany annual book fair. So nothing was there. And so far now I'll click picture of my complete notes. Let me click its picture and show to you. This is how I am making my notes. You will get 2-3 papers in the exam, okay, it's not an issue, but I don't like to just fill paper for the sake of writing, okay, and I write in this way only, okay. So far I have made notes in this way. Let me highlight. This was my part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Now what I will do for part 5, that group discussion, what I will do, I will make one table, because usually 3 people speak, right? So I will make one table like this, okay. And let's say if center one is starting first, so I will write something here. If like right person is responding, then I will say in this way. Now after this person, if this is saying something, if the left person is saying something, then I will put arrow and I will write something here. So this is what I do for your this one what you say group discussion next part, okay. So far I very rarely, I can say, like I have used 2 sides of the paper. Usually I go with one side, okay. And this was bit easy. So when your exam is easy, it becomes very challenging. Why? Because we have to score 34. If it is bit difficult, then like it is kind of well, I won't say easy if it is difficult, but the scoring criteria changes. We need to score 33 out of 38. If it is easy, we need to score 34. Anyway, let's discuss that part in the next lecture. So jump to the next lecture where I am discussing the group discussion part. That's all guys. Thank you very much.